Welcome back. I was doing some photo shooting for my dress I made. You will see the photos on Instagram. Just check my Instagram at SESTacy and you will see the photos. Actually, I feel amazing. The dress is just a black dress. I did combine it with amazing boots, overknee boots and beret. Yeah, and a nice purse. And I feel so good. So good. They really came out so nicely. And yeah, I had fun making photos. I love making short videos, photos, YouTube. So, and I'm hoping to grow this channel a lot. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel and let's grow this channel. I'm going to continue, maybe do some 1 or 2 short shoots, and then we see how it's gonna go. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy. What do you think about this style anyway? How do you think about the beret? I mean the full dress, you can see it. Let me try. This is my full dress. I made it myself. I sewed it. And I have fun really sewing. So the next which I'm planning to sew is my like warm dress jacket. This is what I'm planning to sew, and I'm going to cut and start sewing it so that I can do another shoot. Well, I love shoots. I really love them so, because they come so well, and I hope guys you support this channel. Support your girl. Subscribe. Watch my videos and let this grow. See you later. This is how I take my pictures by myself. Good morning and welcome to my vlog. Today is Sunday and I'll be making lunch for today. And I'm going to make some potatoes in the oven, slice kind of, and then yeah, we'll see how the menu turns. So let's get into it before we start talking too much. So I'm putting the potatoes. I don't like these small potatoes. It's boring, huh? So after peeling, I will be slicing them through that. this is the slice we're making before we cook. So I'm adding salt, pepper, and muscat. And then we mix it. I'm adding a bit of oil. So I'll add some margarine in the pot. Water, I added some cold water. Now we're gonna stir it constantly, but it mixed well. And then we just let it cook, and when it just cooked, I will be adding some cheese. So as it's cooking, I'm going to add a little bit of milk. Normally you should add some cream, but I don't want it to be too much because I'm adding some mozzarella cheese inside. So stir it until it's mixed well, and then we're going to shift it in our baking pan to our potatoes. So now I'm going to put a little bit on the pan. Potatoes. going to add more, another layer. So our potatoes are good. Now that is sprinkle the cheese on top of it. So we're gonna take it to the oven. So let it cook for half an hour. See you then. So now we're going to be making the dish, the meat. It's called Gyros in German. So this is how it looks like. It's pork and it's a mixture of spicy, different spices, and the meat is chopped into small pieces. So it is mixed with onions and some spices. So we're going to make this. So this is our dish for today. So the dish comes with white cabbage salad, sour sweet, and some cream which is called tzatziki. That one everybody has to put on themselves on the table, so I didn't put it on the plate. That's how my dish looks like for today, and I will see you later on the continue of the vlog. So after lunch, I decided to get my living room in order. So I changed the throw pillows cover, and I did some new decoration, as you can see on the table, that matches. And yeah, those are the decoration. I really few decoration I bought last time when I went shopping. I needed something just a little bit different, so it goes with silver and kind of gold, not silver, gold, and gray. So I mean, I think it matches really well with the pink cover, which I really sewed myself. I do sew everything myself. I don't buy. So if you need something like that, almost just you can DM me for new cushion covers, order yours. And yeah, I made all these. I took this, like, I didn't buy this, I just took them, the sticks. I took them for my garden, and I had to decorate my house a little bit. I did something like now. So these are the lights, the nice lights I have, and with that thing I bought in a local retail. Was the first advent, and I made this that evening. So I wish you a good week and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and watch the other videos. I have the whole video about how to make this one already on my channel, so you can go watch this because it's already out.